This is part of the build of the new control station, adding some more features to the machine. Just going to be using the one section of the table, one of the 4x2s. You can see the other 4x2 is hanging on a wall hanger. This is a piece of just scrap aluminum, but it'll do for making a control panel. It's going to hold the switches, power switches, e-stop, PC, USB ports, that sort of thing. The garage is very narrow. The actual width is about 9 feet. Oh, there goes the air compressor. The machine protrudes from the wall, including the tables, 11 inches minus that arm, of course. That arm protrudes about 60 inches, but you can raise it up to 9 feet high. And actually, I've parked my truck underneath of it when it's put away, no problem. That's a carbide bit, solid carbide, 1/4 inch. Speed's about 70, 75. Could probably go faster. If I was going to cut a bunch of these, I would mess around with the speed until I found the fastest. But I'm just cutting one thing. I don't spend a lot of time trying to dial it in. As long as I'm getting a good burless cut, I'm good to go. You can see the vacuum is disconnected. I'm using the air supply to blow away the chips. The G-codes, the M7 and M8 are in use to turn on the coolant. In this case, the coolant is just air. And there's the lead out, and that's done. Now we're on to the exhaust fan. The cabinet was cut with a hole, and this is actually going to hold the fans. A couple of 80mm AC fans. Again, it's a wide shot of the whole machine. That machine is 10 feet by 5 feet. The Z-Travel is 4 feet.